What are the machine and human errors that can affect breathalyzer machines? Attorney William Margolin explains that. The breathalyzer machine itself is very easy to operate, as it essentially walks you through the process. However, you do have to be certified to operate the machine, which requires a certain number of training hours. The machine tells them when to have the defendant blow into the machine, and it tells them when the test is sufficient. I went over the procedure that must be followed, but I can't really comment anything beyond that. There are some environmental factors that come into play. For example, if you have one of those machines in the middle of a distillery, and you're asking someone to blow into it, I am sure that there are some environmental factors that could come into play. An expert might know that if the machine is used within 150 feet of a power line, then it could be affected by electromagnetism, and the validity of its readings could be disturbed. The defense attorney can watch the procedure leading up to the point where the person blows into the machine, and they can make sure that everything was complied with up to that point. However, that is pretty much where the defense attorney's expertise ends. The technical issues involving the machine itself need to be handled by experts. If an expert identified a factor that could have affected the validity of the readings, then the attorney could incorporate that information into a defense. If the case goes to trial, you could call the expert to testify as to the validity of the result and whether or not it could have been disturbed by an electrical issue, electromagnetic issue, or environmental issue. If you can create reasonable doubt based on the expert's testimony, then you've done your job. Schedule a free consultation with Attorney William Margolin in Waukegan, Illinois today at 847-623-2424 or visit www.williammargolin.com.